This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, admin access to your site, and define tracking goals. Then create a Ga4 property in Analytics and copy the measurement ID. You will need it immediately. Choose an implementation method: Gtag, JS for direct edits, Google Tag Manager for flexible control, or a CMS plugin for simplicity. Once done, prepare to place code. Make sure to back up any files before editing. This gets you into the active setup phase without delay. Now implement the tracking code according to your chosen method. If using Gtag, JS, paste the snippet into the site head and insert the measurement ID. If using Tag Manager, create a Ga4 configuration tag and publish the container. Enable enhanced measurement to capture common interactions and add any custom events you need for conversions. Once deployed, open Analytics Debug View and reload pages to confirm event flow. Make sure to inspect network requests to verify the measurement ID is sent. Finish by configuring conversions and user properties. Mark key events as conversions and set user-scoped properties for segments. Link other Google products like Search Console or ads for richer reporting, and enable BigQuery export if you need raw data. Once configurations are saved, validate data in real-time reports and standard reports over 24 hours. If events don't appear, check Debug View, confirm the measurement ID, ensure no ad blockers, and verify your tag firing rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.